look at this gorgeous jewelry box. I'm so in love with it. Look how beautiful. It's really, really gorgeous. It has crushed glass inside it here. Look how beautiful and how shiny, glamorous. It's about 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 2 inches and 3 inches and about 8 inches from here, and it has very spacious velvet interior from inside. It's wow, it's gorgeous, beautiful, and it's all mirror from all around. It adds like this luxurious feel to your vanity table or to your makeup table. I'm so in love with it. Like, wow, look how beautiful. Just like holding it up and like using it like feels so luxurious like this. Isn't that true? Look how beautiful. I'm so in love with it. Like, and it's enough for you to start like placing all your jewelry inside of it, everything you like. It's such a spacious box that you can fit a lot of stuff inside of it. Wow, I'm so in love with it. Look how beautiful and how shiny. And I love this crushed glass inside of here on the top. It has like really nice effect of it. It's like really nice crystals. I don't know if it's clear, but it's like really, really gorgeous. I'm so in love with it. I really like it, and I hope you find it as gorgeous and luxurious as I do. Thank you for watching. Cheers.